Hi, my name is Ravi Shankar Chauhan and I am physics educator at Unacademy Madhapur, and we are going to discuss physics PYQ for NEET. So in 2023 one question was asked. Question is, a football player is moving southwards and suddenly turns eastward with the same speed to avoid an opponent. The force that acts on the player while turning is, they are asking the direction. Okay, so we can take some directions. This one I am considering east, this one west, this one north, and this one is south. Okay, he is moving towards southward. Southward means, and they are saying then turns eastwards with the same speed. So I am considering he is moving, this one is I cap direction, this one is minus I cap, this one is j cap, this one is minus j cap. So initial velocity he is moving toward this direction. So u initial is equal to we are considering speed is u, so u and minus of j cap, and then after he turns towards eastward, means final velocity we can consider, they are saying same speed means u is u only and direction will be I cap. Then they are asking the force direction, means we can find out the acceleration. Acceleration is what? Acceleration is u final minus u initial upon time. Okay, so u final is u I cap minus u initial is minus of u j cap, then minus minus plus and time. So answer will be u of I cap plus j cap upon t, means direction will be towards I plus j. I plus j means direction will be like this. So force means that is northeast. So answer will be along northeast, means option C. Okay. So this question we have taken from NEET 2023 and this is from kinematics 1D. So question is, position of a particle is given as a function of time. So position x is equal to r vector t 4t I cap plus 2t square j cap plus 5 k cap is given. They are asking velocity as well as the direction of the velocity. Find the magnitude of velocity and direction of the velocity. So for finding out velocity, we have to differentiate with respect to time. So v is equal to d, whatever the function is given, and differentiation with respect to t. So if we are going to differentiate this one, so 4 is constant, differentiation of t is 1 and I cap is I cap as it is, and this one 2 is 2 only, and t square differentiation is 2t and j cap is j cap. Here t is not there, so differentiation of 5 is 0, so it will be 0. So now this outcome is 4 I cap plus 4 t j cap. They are asking, we have to find out velocity at t is equal to 1 second. So velocity at t is equal to 1 second, we have to put the value. So now 4 I cap plus 4 into 1, that is 4 j cap. That is the magnitude, that is the vector form of the velocity. If we are finding out the magnitude, then magnitude of v vector is equal to root of 4 square plus 4 square, that means answer is 4 root 2 meter per second. That is the magnitude. If they are also asking the direction, so for direction we have to write tan alpha is equal to v of y upon v of x. So v of y is 4 and v of x is 4, so answer is 4 upon 4, that means 1. So tan alpha is 1, that means alpha is equal to 45 degree. Now we are having the option 1, so option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, they are asking, Calculate the maximum acceleration of a moving car so that a body lying on the floor of the car remains stationary. The coefficient of static friction between the body and the floor is 0.15 and g we have to consider 10 meter per second square. Okay, so we can consider a floor. We can consider a floor like this. And one block. And one block is lying on it. So for example, car floor is moving like this with acceleration a. Then this will try to move back because of inertia with the same acceleration. So for avoiding, one frictional force will act on this block in the same direction of motion, that is F, and maximum friction can be F static. And F static is equal to mu into n. If mass of this block is m, then downward force will be mg, that will be equal to normal force. So for that maximum friction will be mu mg, and this force will be m into a. So for balancing, for not sliding condition, that Fs should be equal to m into a. So mu mg is equal to m into a. M and m cancel. A is equal to mu g. Mu is 0.15 and g is 10. So answer will be 1.5 meter per second square. If car will move with this acceleration, slip will not be there. So answer will be option C. So next question. Next question, they are saying two bodies of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are tied to the ends of a massless string. The string passes over a pulley which is frictionless. Given in the figure, the acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity g is. Okay, this is very simple question. By rope method we can use. So we are considering that is single rope. Single rope means acceleration of blocks will be same only, and this is heavier block, so this will move down and this will move up with the same acceleration. We are considering acceleration is a, and on this block mg means 4g will be downward, and on this block 6g will be downward. So by rope method we are applying, so this 6 into a plus 4 into a is equal to net effective force. Net effective force means 6g and this one minus 4g. This one will be 10a is equal to 2g, this one 5. So a is equal to g by 5. G by 5, is there any option? Option A will be the correct answer. Last question, an electric lift with a maximum load of 2000 kg lift plus passenger is moving up with a constant speed of 1.5 meter per second. The frictional force opposing the motion is 3000 Newton. The minimum power delivered by the motor to the lift in watts. Okay, we can consider a lift. For example, this is the lift plus passenger. The total mass is 2000 kg. That means net force downward will be force due to gravity, that is equal to mg. Mg means 2000 into g. They are saying we have to consider 10, so it will be 20,000 Newton. Okay, and they are saying frictional force is also opposing the motion, so frictional force will be how much? 3000 Newton. Okay, and lift is moving up with a constant speed 1.5 meter per second. Okay, so now we are applying that power formula. Power P is equal to F net into speed. F net means 20,000 plus 3, that means 23,000 into speed. Speed is 1.5. So 23 into 1.5, that is 34.5, but we are having 30, so 34500. What will be the answer? Is there any option? Option B will be the correct answer. Okay, thanks.